Hey there, welcome back to another video, and today we have another viewer mail or package, and this one I received a couple of weeks ago. I did open it up just to make sure someone didn't send me, something weird, but I think it is, so yeah, let's check it out. All right, let's see what's inside. And it looks like we got a letter, and it says, "Dear Sticky, I've been a long-time viewer and subscriber of the channel. I highly enjoy your videos and some might consider me your #1 fan." Very nice. "I watch your videos every time a new one comes out, usually on my lunch breaks. I am involved in a new military project and managed to get a sample of what's coming for the future of MREs. This is just a prototype and some improvements will be made. Enclosed is a full 24-hour ration in its most compact size. This is described as shrink dried meals or SDMs." Very interesting. The instructions are as follows. Simply take the special SDM bag, which is extremely essential, and one of the meal components, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Drop it in the bag, use half a cup of water, hot, not boiling, and wait 15 minutes for the magic to happen. The bag can be reused. Your feedback is very important. Thanks for the awesome content, Sticky. Keep in touch. Sincerely, UC Hedberg. All right, let's see what we got. All right, let's see what this future of MREs is. And we have a couple of containers. Apparently this is the future of MREs, or someone could just be simply pranking me. So let's open it up. Take the Benchmade. Comes pre-wrapped. I guess we'll check out the little one. And it appears to be some kind of stainless steel container. Looks like the top screws off. And I'm guessing this must be the bag. We'll check that out in a minute. And there's something in there. Let's check it out. There's definitely something in there. I'll check that out. Looks like a tiny soda can. Very interesting. Oh, damn. I hope I didn't shake that. But yeah, very interesting stuff. Like I said, someone could be pranking me. And yeah, pretty neat container. Looks like it's water sealed, which would come in handy out in the field. So, all right, so let's open this one up. All right, looks like another stainless steel container, and screws open. Got one of those pills or capsules. Oh, so you got 3 of them. There's another one. And the last one. There's definitely something in there. So I'm guessing this would be breakfast, so we'll check this out. So I'm guessing this is breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We'll get some hot water. Let's check out the bag. And it just looks like some kind of aluminum foil. Nothing special. All right, let's heat up some water. off a cup. And we'll heat up the water. All right, we'll turn this off. Should be warm enough. All right, let's get one of the capsules. We'll take our bag, and I guess we'll drop it in there. And we'll add the water. About a cup. And I guess we'll close it up. And I guess we'll let the magic happen. We'll wait about 15 minutes. All right, it's been about 10 minutes and the bag's a little bit bloated. There is a little bit of a hissing sound, but nothing much. I guess we'll wait another 5 minutes. It's been about 15 minutes. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Wow. Oh my God, check that out. We have what appears to be pancakes. Yeah, let's get this onto a tray. Let's get our tray. Oh yeah. Wow, look at that. Nice. And it looks like we have a Grand Slam breakfast. We have some eggs, some pancakes, and sausage. Now this is really impressive technology. I guess that's what they mean by shrink dried meals. We have a full-sized breakfast. Yeah, let's try it out. We'll start with some of the eggs. Sunny side up. That looks really good. Here we go. It's perfect. Nicely cooked. There is absolutely nothing weird about them. Oh yeah. Perfect. Let's try the sausage. It looks and smells like breakfast sausage. Here we go. Oh yeah. That is excellent. Tastes just like breakfast sausage. Let's try the pancakes. We get 2 of them. There you have it. Some nice fluffy pancakes. Looks like there's syrup on them. Here we go. Oh wow. That is excellent. The only thing missing is a nice tall cold glass of milk and maybe a little bit of butter, but yeah, very impressed. All right, so I'm gonna finish this off and we'll try out the lunch. Can't wait. The bag, I rinsed it out. It's nice and clean. Let's get some hot water. All right, let's see what's next. My guess, this is lunch. Check that out. I'm just curious to know what it is. So we'll throw it in the bag. And we'll dump this one in there as well. and we'll give it about 15 minutes. It's been about 15 minutes. Let's see what we got. Ooh, this one feels a little bit heavy. Let's open it up. And we have a can of Pepsi, my favorite. It's a nice one. And looks like we have some French fries. Let's get everything onto a tray. We'll just dump everything out. No way that's possible. We have an entire hamburger, what appears to be a cheeseburger or hamburger, so let's check it out. A little fry in there. Give that a try. Oh yeah. And we have an all beef patty, what appears to be all beef. We have some pickles, onions, tomatoes, lettuce, some cheese, a very soft bun. All right, let's give it a try. Wow. Check out all that grease. Now that's a real American hamburger. Oh yeah. Let's crack it open. Oh yeah, it's a little bit shaken. There we go. Oh, tickles a little bit. That is a really, really good hamburger. The meat is nice and juicy. The bun is nice and soft. Good flavor. Excellent. The Pepsi is nicely carbonated, nice and sweet. It is a little bit warm. Could be a little bit chilled, but other than that, it's perfect. And my only complaint would have to be the French fries. They are a little bit stale, a little bit soggy, but that is to be expected from fries. They go stale almost immediately after they're fried, so yeah, it is what it is. Let's take another bite. Check that out. Nice juicy hamburger. Here we go. I'm gonna finish this up and we'll check out the dinner. Let's go ahead and do the last one, the dinner. Let's check it out. I'm just curious as to what this is. I'm just dying to find out what this one's gonna be. Let's prepare it. Let's get some water in there. Take it up. We'll give it 15 minutes and let that magic happen. And it has been about 15 minutes. Let's break out the tray. Let's see what we got. Check that out. We have some broccoli and what appears to be, not sure what that is. Let's dump it out. Oh yeah, check that out. And it looks like we have some chicken strips. We get 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we have some broccoli and what appears to be some kind of mashed potatoes. That actually looks pretty good. And I guess we'll start with the broccoli. Looks like broccoli, smells like broccoli. Here we go. It's nice and tender. Let's try the mashed potatoes. Looks like there's little bits of skin, red skin. There we go. That is fantastic. Those potatoes are nice and creamy and buttery. Let's try the chicken strips. Break it in half. Oh yeah. Looks really moist and tender. Let's give it a try. Oh wow. That is some really good chicken, nice and tender and juicy. The breading's a little bit salty, a little bit mushy, not as crunchy as it should be, but overall for being shrink dried chicken, that is amazing. I was checking the envelope and it looks like we have one more capsule left. Must be an extra one. Let's check it out. I'm not sure what it is. Could be a potato or some kind of yam. But yeah, let's prepare it. Let's add some water. We'll let that cook for about 15 minutes and we'll be back. All right, let's see what it is. Oh, this one's really heavy. And this one's got a lot of weight to it. Let me take a peek. Oh wow, no way. No way.